Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this little column connector piece seen here. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's come on up to File, start a new design, start a sketch here on our XY plane. All right, I'm going to go ahead and close out my data panel here, and I'm going to come on over here and I'm going to drag out a square now with the following dimensions. We want this height here to be 2.5 inches. I'm going to hit the tab button. We want the width here to be 1.75 inches. All right, and then we're going to offset this guy. Click here, and we're going to offset it a distance of minus 0.375 or 3/8 of an inch. Okay, and then the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to zoom in, and we're going to drag out a square now, and I'm going to type in, we want this distance here to be 0.25, hit the tab button, and by 0.125, enter. And I'm going to do that all the way around for every corner here. So I'm just going to go quickly here and just kind of, and then I'm going to just add dimensions quick. So 0.125, 0.25, 0.125, 0.25, 0.25, and then whoop, 0.125. Okay, so I should have four squares here of equal size, and it's important you design these right or else your parts won't fit when you go to do your assembly. Okay, so now I'm going to trim these corners here. Okay, so I'm left with a part that basically looks exactly like this. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude it out now. The thickness of our material, which is 0.125 or 1/8 of an inch. I'm going to hit OK. Come to Modify, Appearance, come on down to Transparent and Acrylic Red and drag it over because we're going to be making these out of clear acrylic. Okay, so go ahead and select Close. And when you're done, go ahead and save it. Okay, and let's see here. I'm going to save this one in a different, you save it wherever you have it. I'm going to save it in a different folder here, and I'll call it the column connector and video file. Okay, select save. All right, that'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.